Dua for barakah for ourselves. He used to say, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Allahumma aghfir li dhanbi wa wassi' li fi dari wa barik li fima razaqtani. Allahumma aghfir li dhanbi. Oh Allah, forgive my sins. The number one reason why barakah is not present in something is because there's the disobedience of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in that thing. If you want to lose barakah in your health, you use it in a way that's displeasing to Allah. You want to lose barakah in your wealth, you use it in a way that's displeasing to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That means no matter how much you have, it will not be blessed and no good will come from it. So Allahumma aghfir li dhanbi. And then the Prophet ﷺ said, وَوَسِّعْ لِي فِي دَارِي. And grant me expanse in my home. That's not a dua for the increase in square footage. وَوَسِّعْ لِي دَارِي. If someone has barakah in their home, if it's a small apartment, they will find expanse in it. And if someone has no barakah in their home, it could be a 6,000 square foot house. And it'll feel like a grave. It's about barakah in that home. And there's something very profound about this as well, that it's an existing blessing. So I already have a dar, and I'm asking Allah to bless me in what I already have. وَبَارِكْ لِي فِي مَا رَزَقْتَنِي. And bless me in that which you provide me. So the existing blessings and the new blessings, let them come with the barakah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allahumma aghfir li dhanbi wa wassi' li fi dari wa barik li fima razaqtani.